We want to differentiate y is equal to x cos 2x. We should recognize that this is a product. A product is of the form y equals uv, where u and v are both functions of x. If we have this situation, then dy dx is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. So here we can see that u is equal to x and v is equal to cos 2x. Du dx then is equal to 1, and to get dv dx we need to use the chain rule. So dv dx, the differential of the outside function, the cosine, is minus sine 2x, treating the inside function 2x as if it is just x, and then we have to multiply by the differential of the inside function. If we differentiate 2x, we get 2. So dv dx is minus 2 sine 2x. Following the product formula now, dy dx is going to be equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Plus times a minus makes this a minus 2x sine 2x.